Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm trying out the cameras on the Pixel 7. I'm gonna just do 4K at 60 and 4K at 30 on the front, and then on the rear, and then 4K at 60 on the front. Just so it's a little 4K footage, but I am enjoying the Pixel 7. The camera's on here, it's good. The only thing you're missing from the 7 Pro is the zoom. So I can zoom in, but it can only go to 7 times zoom. It doesn't have the telephoto lens. Look at baby girl there. How's the stabilization? How does everything look? How does it sound? Because I'm just holding the phone, walking around. Look at that. The building is falling apart. Used to be a Macy's. The mall is just slowly going downhill. But if you have the Pixel 7, y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Are y'all enjoying the cameras on here? Because, slow pan. This is $599. You get, these great looking cameras too. Look at that. I gotta get the tree bark in here. But I'm gonna come back with 4K at 30. Until then, peace. Okay, y'all, have 4K at 30 frames per second on the Pixel 7. Again, how does it look? How does that sound? Check out that. The cameras on here are great, especially for the price. I don't know. Y'all name some better cameras at this price point. Y'all let me know. I'll be waiting for y'all's comment. Again, 7 times zoom. You can go all the way out. I can do ultra wide and go back up to the 1 time zoom. Maybe. Going back. But how does that sound? How does everything look? This phone is not getting hot. I haven't had any reports of the phone overheating. I haven't seen anybody complain about this phone overheating. There's baby girl again. But I'm just walking. How's the stabilization? I'm just holding the phones. I'm gonna come back with the front facing video, so that way we can test out, 4K at 60 on the front too. But look at that. Look at the ground. It does a great job with colors too. But I'm gonna come back with the front facing camera. Until then, peace. Alright, this is 4K at 60 frames per second on the Pixel 7. Man, I love that the Pixels can do 4K on the front. So you can vlog with this, you can walk around and talk to yourself in front of, the mall here if you wanted to. Or if you want to go inside the mall and talk to yourself, I still am not 100% comfortable with vlogging or even holding the cameras. I think by now I should be, but definitely not. Look at the colors. Look at the sky. I don't know, 4K at 60 on the front is definitely very good. What y'all think? How does that sound? It is kind of windy out here, so it's definitely not the quietest. How's the mics doing? What y'all thought about the rear cameras on here? I might throw some photos at the end that I took already with this phone, so that way y'all can check out some of the photos too. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 7. And until next time, peace, I'm out. Y'all have a great day. Make sure y'all like the video.